Greetings, everyone. Today, Curtis, Wyatt, and I, otherwise known as the Performance Heating and Air Team, we're down at the build site stripping the form boards off of the foundation. The weather report initially showed some mostly clear skies during the morning, but that rapidly changed and it started raining on us as soon as we got there and didn't stop the whole time. Those guys were pretty good sports in that we all were just absolutely drenched by the time we were done. And then about an hour later, the skies decided to clear up as usual. I didn't film at all that day since it was raining so much, but thankfully Kerri stopped by and she grabbed a couple of videos, and we'll share those now so you can see what was going on.
We are in a drought. Nevertheless, what's that? Nevertheless, it's raining. The job site is an absolute mud pit. But we have help. So the boards must come down. They're actually making quite a bit of progress. And they're hoping to get all of these interior boards removed today, despite the inclement weather. So, this is the glamour of building your own house. It is what it is. Project has to keep moving forward, so I'm gonna go pick up some supplies down at the hardware store down the hill, bring them back, keep going. And I'm so glad Scott took the time to come cover these boards, all these floor joists. Oh gosh. So glad those are protected. Who knew we'd be dealing with rain in June in California in the middle of a drought, but here we are.
And of course, here's what it looked like when I got home. Absolutely beautiful, and the birds are chirping in the background. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.